Hello everyone. WinRAR is a convenient utility program that lets you open compressed files, or create your own new archives with just a few clicks. It can back up your data and reduce the size of files, take full control over RAR and zip archives along with unpacking a dozen other archive formats. This program is not free. Once you have passed the 40-day trial mark, you'll have to pay for a license to continue using it. For download WinRAR, open web browser, enter win-rar.com. After opening the web, click on Download button. If you want to download 32-bit version, click here for 32-bit version link under the Download button. Scroll and click again Download button. Setup file will be downloaded. Go to Downloaded folder. Double-click WinRAR setup file. Once the setup wizard is open, click Install. Select the desired archive format here, then click on OK. Clicking Done button will complete the installation. You can purchase full version using this green button. I hope you like. Thanks for watching the video.